how to get full control of your kid's smartphone. Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get full control of your kid's smartphone. So in order to get full control of your kids, so there are multiple methods on how you can do it. The first thing is you can set up a parental control. Then apart from it, you can also use third-party application or might not be able to rely on it. And you can also, and sometimes you can just regularly check their social medias or maybe monitor the social media and all that. Apart from it, you can also review the app permission and all that. So I'll be showing you some of the easiest way on how you can get full control of your kid's smartphone. In order to do this procedure, first of all, you need to set up parental control. So for that, you need to open the Google Play app on your device. After that, click on the profile icon located in the upper right hand side corner. So once you tap on the profile icon menu, you'll need to click on settings. After that, you can see there's family. Click on it. Here you can see parental control. You'll need to turn it off and toggle the switch. After that, you'll need to create a PIN and click on the OK button. As soon as you're done creating a PIN, for the confirmation, type in twice. After that, the parental control has been on. So choose how you can filter or restrict the age. Once you're on the Play Store, if you want to use a third-party application, then you can just go ahead and type in Family Guard. So you'll need to typically install this particular application. After that, you need to register. And once you register for this particular account, you'll be asked to provide in the account details and all that information. Follow the on-screen prompt and you'll be able to successfully set up a parental control on your child's device. Now apart from it, you can also regularly check your child's social media account for any sign-in or cyberbullying or inappropriate behavior. Ensure they understand privacy settings and encourage them to report any issues. You can also review your app permission. So what you can do is you can periodically review the permission granted to your app on your child's device. Make sure they understand the risk associated with sharing personal information and all that. Apart from it, you can also check their device regularly. Even the parental control in place, it's essential to periodically check your child's device. Ensure they are adhering to the rules and not admitting to bypass restrictions. So these were a few steps on how you can get full control of your child's smartphone. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.